the big chat fields. So this area, the people, their income is depend on agriculture. So most of us, they grow chats. So chat is now the big business for this area. If there is water, anytime they can collect it and then they export different countries. So that's why people, they grow chat around here. So now we're going to see how they sell. All that they bring from the farming places. They bring farming place, they give to the, they sell to the wholesalers, the exporters. So the exporters, they pack, they do everything. So they export to the different countries, Somaliland, Djibouti, and Kenya, and also Yemen. So now let's see what's going on inside.